Very good evening, friends. Welcome to the Bharatvarsh. This is Shekhar Mishra once again with you from Kanpur. And today it's a very unfortunate and a very nonsense thing which is going on all across. Every media, electronic media, including Republic and the communist media, NDTV, and all these nonsense channels, they are debating on the one issue. The issue is our Chief Minister, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, has been in a public meeting in Amethi and he has make a statement that is we to be a proud Hindu. गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू हैं. उस पे all across the debate is happening all across on the same issue. Why? Is this an issue? Why we as a Sanatani believe कि anybody is practicing Bible, believing on the Bible and practicing Christianity, if they always tell we are proud to be Christian, nothing wrong with it. And someone believe on the Quran and he say I am a proud Islamist, nothing wrong with it. So what is an issue for a debate when I and anybody who actually believe on the Sanatan and the Hinduism tell that we are proud Hindu? What's the wrong with it? It's very unfortunate which is happening. It's a basically the dispense which is going on that has been started by our first Prime Minister, Mr. Nehruism. The Nehruism has been actually categorized the Sanatani Hindus in the second class category, in fact. Being having the 80% of population today, we are actually suffering on the same sort of disease. That disease has been started in that particular tenure. Still, we don't have right to proud on our traditions, Sanatani traditions. The whole of science, the whole of there is only one dharma that is the science based, that is Sanatani and Hinduism. Why should we not proud? At the same time, every different religion do have their own rights to be a proud Christian, to be a proud Muslim. Why do not we are not actually asking for exclusive rights? We are fighting for our rights, in fact, these days. We as a Sanatani, we as a Hindus, we have to understand these things very clearly. What dispensation is going on these days, and we supposed to be a proud Hindu. We supposed to be a proud Sanatani. For this, if you can make a small video, everyone can share a small video. We have proud Hindu. If you cannot, you can make a statement, I'm proud Hindu, in social media platforms. If it is not, make a small chat. Go to your public representative nearby. Submit it to it. We are basically fighting for a equal right. And we have to. Thank you so much. If you like this channel, subscribe as much as possible and share it to everyone. Thank you so much. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.